Okay, so we all have these little triangles made out of our sticky notes, and we colored in each of the angles, and we remembered that all of the angles in a triangle together make 180 degrees. That means that this red piece, and this red piece, if you knew their measures and added them all together, you'd get what number? 180. Gage?
180.
180, perfect. Okay, now what I want you to do, take your triangles and rip off the red corners. So you're ripping off the angles. If you're ripping off all 3 of the red corners, how many degrees are you ripping off?
180.
180, right? All right, and now what we're going to do is we're going to put all of the angles together. So here's my first angle. I'm going to put this on some background paper so it's easier to see on the camera. Okay. So I've got my first angle right here. Line up the other 2 pieces so that the red angles are all together. Does that make sense? Okay. So then I can put this piece right here. And then I can put this third piece in the back right here.
No. Put it on the other side.
Could it not fit here either? It could fit there.
So that looks weird.
It looks weird. What do you mean weird? Looks like a half piece of pizza? Yeah, just because of the red things, right? What I want you guys to notice is that the red things all together, if I were to trace this weird looking piece of pizza, apparently, it looks like that.
It's a half circle.
It's a half circle. Love that. Let's take away the circular part and just concentrate only on this part. We still know that this is how many degrees?
180.
How do you know it's 180 degrees? Before it said that, how did you know? How did you guys tell me it was 180?
Straight line.
Lily?
Because a triangle is
Lily.
180.
Okay, and how do I know I had it?
Because 45 and 45.
Okay, 45 and 45 is 90. I'm good with
The
that.
bottom length was 180. That's wrong.
So this line I have outlined in black is 180.
Yeah.
How did you know that? What did I use to make that?
In the triangle, you use all the little corners, right?
I used the red pieces from my triangle, which we said was what?
180.
Which we said was 180. So I know that when I put them all together, how many degrees do I have?
180.
180. So when I put all of my triangles together and it made a straight line, then I know a straight line is how many degrees?
180.
180. And that's how I know that straight lines are 180 degrees.
Isn't it if it's this, the 90s, then it's like, what do they call it? A right
Yes, so if you have something that looks like that, it's called a right angle, and that's 90 degrees. Perfect. Yep. Fantastic. So because all of the angles in a triangle make 180, and I can have the angles in a triangle together will make the straight line, now we know that straight lines are 180 degrees, right? That's the big gist there. Now you guys are all going to be YouTube famous.